Hey guys, Bart Bettiga with the National Tile Contractors Association. Hope you're all doing well. If you're like me, some of us need a haircut really badly through this COVID-19 stuff, but that's the least of our problems right now. Our prayers and thoughts are with all of our members as you go through this incredible situation, something none of us could have predicted, and we're all in it together, and I pledge that our staff and all of us will work as closely with you as we can to help navigate these incredibly difficult and different waters that we're all going through. A couple of silver linings that took place last week at Coverings Connect was that we actually had almost 4,000 people take advantage of the virtual online content that we put together on very short notice. So congratulations to Coverings staff. We had architects, designers, general contractors, builders, distributors, and manufacturers, but most importantly, tile contractors participating in Coverings Connect. I do want to thank several staff members for the work that they did putting that together, including Jim Olson, Becky Serbin, Avia Haynes, Mark Heinlein, Rob Roderick, Randy Fleming, Scott Carruthers, and some volunteers like Woody Sanders and Martin Brooks, who did a great program on pedestal systems for exterior applications. Really appreciate all the work that everybody did. And the Covering CID Awards were put together and announced last week, and I want to give a special shout out to some NTCA members that received recognition for those. The David Allen Company won a grand prize for the Hotel Bennett in South Carolina. Martin Brooks and Heritage Marble and Tile out of Mill Valley, the San Francisco Bay Area, with a beautiful residential installation of a grotto. We had Columbia River Tile and Stone with a gorgeous residential installation project out of Portland, Oregon, and two special recognition award winners were submitted and received by Tierra Tile, Joshua Nordstrom out of Homer, Alaska. So two awards that Joshua got for the incredible work that he does as a true tile artist. So the NTCA is proud of all of you. We encourage you, all of our members, to submit these unbelievable projects that we see on social media for awards recognition. Look forward to catching up with you later. Thanks for being a part of the NTCA.